Type your text. Add a tab where needed. Press Ctrl+A to select the text. Go to Window. Type. Tabs. Select Right Justified tab. And adjust the distance. If you want, you can adjust the leader. And that's how you adjust the tab distance and leader.